Welcome to Falling Leaf in Mobile, Alabama. This new gated community is off of Solid Road, so you have the convenience of being close to town with all the incentives of buying new construction. I love the quartz countertops in the kitchen as well as the baths. The kitchen features a tiled backsplash and stainless steel appliances, luxury vinyl plank throughout the living area with carpet only in the bedrooms, tray ceiling in the living area and in the primary suite. You want to see more beautiful homes? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Frankie Wink 3600. The primary bath has double vanities, a soaking tub, and a separate tiled shower. Now don't forget, these homes also come standard with the Smart Home Package. Call today for your private showing. 251-234-9919. This is one of the Gold Fortified homes, so that drastically reduces the cost of your homeowner's insurance premium. The builder also contributes up to $5,000 towards your buyer's closing costs when you use their preferred lender. For a limited time, they're offering interest rates as low as 4.99. This Lamar floor plan features 3 bedrooms with 2 full baths. It's over 1,700 square feet. This home comes with a 1-year builder's warranty and a 10-year structural warranty. Do you need to sell before you buy? No worries. I list and sell real estate in Mobile and Baldwin County. Call me so I can give you a free home analysis and show you how I leverage virtual tours, social media, and my YouTube channel to get you the most money for your home.